Did you know that a gorilla's strength can be up to 10 times that of a grown man? Yes, you heard that right. We're kicking off our journey into the world of gorillas with a fact that might cause you to pause and rethink your gym routine. Gorillas, known scientifically as gorilla, are the heavyweight champions of the primate world. Their muscle-packed bodies and sturdy frames are built for power. A single arm span of a mature male can stretch out to 8 feet, and they can weigh up to 400 pounds. That's about the size of a small piano. But don't let their size intimidate you. Despite their incredible strength, gorillas are not the aggressive beasts that they're often portrayed as in movies. Quite the contrary, they are generally peaceful creatures. Gorillas prefer to use their strength in more constructive ways, like navigating their way through dense forests, wrestling with their peers to establish dominance, or even performing impressive displays to protect their families. In fact, these gentle giants spend most of their time engaging in much less strenuous activities. They are often found lounging around, eating, or taking care of their young ones. Just imagine, a creature with the strength to bend iron bars, choosing to spend its day munching on leaves and playing with its offspring. It's a wonderful testament to their gentle nature. But it's not just their strength and peaceful temperament that make gorillas fascinating. Their social structures, intelligence, and communication skills are equally intriguing. And we'll be diving into all that and more in our upcoming scenes. In a world where might often makes right, gorillas stand as a testament to the power of gentleness. Their impressive strength is not used for destruction, but for protection, play, and survival in their natural habitat. It's a lesson we could all learn from, don't you think? Incredibly strong yet wonderfully gentle, gorillas truly are fascinating creatures. So stick around as we continue our journey into the world of these gentle giants. There's so much more to learn and appreciate about them. Contrary to popular belief, gorillas aren't carnivores. Although some might imagine these burly beasts chomping down on a juicy steak, the truth is far from it. Gorillas are primarily herbivores, sustaining themselves mainly on a diet of leaves, stems, and fruits. While their diet might sound mundane to us, this plant-based menu provides gorillas with all the nutrients they need to maintain their robust health and impressive strength. It's a fascinating paradox, isn't it? These massive creatures, known for their formidable power, thriving on a diet that's entirely vegetarian. Moreover, gorillas don't just eat any leaves or fruits. They are selective about what they consume, preferring certain types over others. This discernment plays a crucial role in maintaining their health. And it's not just about survival. Their diet also contributes to their longevity and overall well-being. So next time you spot a gorilla flexing its muscles, remember, it's all thanks to a diet rich in greens. Who knew that a diet of leaves, stems, and fruits could fuel such powerful creatures? Gorillas have a language of their own, you know. Just like us, these majestic creatures communicate in a myriad of ways. They use an extraordinary variety of vocalizations, each with its own meaning. From purrs of contentment to screams of alarm, their vocabulary is as diverse as it is fascinating. But gorillas don't just stop at making sounds. They also use body postures and facial expressions to convey messages. A simple gesture, like a tilt of the head, can express curiosity or a playful mood. A bared teeth face, on the other hand, is a clear sign of aggression. Perhaps the most famous display of gorilla communication is the chest-beating routine. Contrary to popular belief, this is not just an act of intimidation. It can also be a way for gorillas to locate each other in dense forest or to express excitement. So, next time you see a gorilla beating its chest, you'll know it's just trying to say something. Gorillas can live for quite a long time in the wild. As one of the most captivating facts about these gentle giants, the lifespan of gorillas is quite intriguing. In the wild, gorillas can live up to their mid-30s to early 40s. This longevity, despite the threats from predators and diseases, is a testament to their resilience. When it comes to gorillas in captivity, the story is slightly different. With the right care, nutrition, and medical attention, these gorillas can live well into their 50s. The world record for the oldest known gorilla was a female named Kolo, who lived to be an astounding 61 years old. That's a pretty impressive feat, right? The lifespan of a gorilla is a testament to their strength and endurance. Imagine the wisdom and experiences they gather over the decades. It's impressive how long these majestic creatures can live, isn't it? Gorillas live in groups, much like we humans do. Delving into the social structure of gorilla groups, it's fascinating to see how they establish and maintain order. These groups, or troops as they're often called, are typically composed of one dominant male, several females, and their offspring. The dominant male gorilla, often referred to as the silverback because of the distinctive patch of silver hair on his back, is the undisputed leader of the troop. He's the one with the responsibility of making decisions, mediating conflicts, determining the movements of the group, leading the others to feeding sites, and taking responsibility for the safety and well-being of the troop. This silverback isn't merely a figurehead. He earns his position through displays of strength, experience, and a show of commitment to the troop. Then we have the females. Female gorillas play crucial roles within the troop. They are the primary caregivers to the young, nurturing and teaching them the ways of the gorilla world. They also play a significant role in maintaining harmony within the troop, often engaging in social grooming and bonding activities that strengthen the ties within the group. And let's not forget about the youngsters. Young gorillas, just like human children, are full of curiosity and playfulness. They spend their days exploring, playing, and learning from their elders. They're not just passive members of the troop, though. Their interactions, playfights, and general behavior serve as a preparation for their future roles within the troop. As they grow older, young males may challenge the dominant silverback for leadership or leave to form their own groups, while females may transfer to another troop to avoid inbreeding. This constant dynamic keeps the gorilla society evolving and adaptable to changes. In a nutshell, gorilla society is a tightly knit community where each member has a role to play, and every role is important. Just like in our human societies, cooperation, respect, and mutual understanding are key to maintaining harmony. Gorillas truly are social creatures, with complex relationships and hierarchies within their groups. Gorillas are among the most intelligent animals on the planet. Indeed, these fascinating creatures are not just muscle and might, but also possess remarkable mental prowess that sets them apart in the animal kingdom. Gorillas are known to use tools in their daily lives, a clear indication of their cognitive capabilities. They use sticks to gauge the depth of water before crossing rivers, and stones to crack open nuts. This ability to use tools was once thought to be exclusive to humans, but gorillas have shown us otherwise. But that's not all. Gorillas have also demonstrated the capacity to learn sign language, a complex form of communication traditionally associated with human intelligence. This shows their ability to understand abstract concepts and symbols, further illustrating their cognitive sophistication. Their intelligence also extends to their social interactions. Gorillas display high levels of empathy, cooperation, and even altruism, qualities that require a certain level of intellectual depth. With their intelligence and ability to learn, gorillas continue to amaze us. Despite their strength and intelligence, gorillas face significant threats. As one of our closest relatives in the animal kingdom, gorillas share almost 98% of our DNA. Yet, they are critically endangered, standing on the precipice of extinction. The conservation status of gorillas is a matter of grave concern. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, or the IUCN, categorizes eastern gorillas as critically endangered and western gorillas as endangered. This means that these majestic beings are facing an extremely high risk of extinction in the wild. So what are these significant threats that they face? Well, there are three main culprits: habitat loss, disease, and poaching. Deforestation for agriculture, mining, and settlement is shrinking the gorillas' natural habitat, forcing them into smaller and fragmented areas. Diseases, notably the Ebola virus, have also decimated gorilla populations. And then there's poaching. Despite international laws prohibiting hunting and trade of gorillas, they are still targeted for bushmeat and illegal wildlife trade. But it's not all doom and gloom. Efforts are being made to protect these incredible creatures. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to preserve gorilla habitats and create protected areas. Anti-poaching patrols have been stepped up, and stricter laws and punishments have been put in place to deter poaching. There are also programs aimed at educating local communities about the ecological importance of gorillas and the benefits of coexisting peacefully. Moreover, veterinary interventions have played a crucial role in gorilla conservation. Dedicated teams of veterinarians monitor gorilla health, treat illnesses and injuries, and vaccinate them against diseases. These proactive measures have indeed saved many gorilla lives. In the end, the fate of gorillas lies in our hands. Every small action counts, from supporting conservation organizations to making conscious consumer choices that do not contribute to habitat loss. It's our responsibility to help protect these incredible creatures for future generations. So, what have we learned about gorillas today? We've discovered that these gentle giants are a marvel to behold, possessing incredible strength that's only matched by their peaceful demeanor. Their plant-based diet, consisting mostly of fruits, stems, and leaves, is a testament to their adaptability in the wild. And let's not forget their unique ways of communication. From chest beating to subtle facial expressions, gorillas truly have a language of their own. Their lifespan, much like ours, extends up to several decades, allowing them to form intricate social structures that are fascinating to study. Their intelligence, on par with that of a young child, is reflected in their ability to use tools and learn sign language. Lastly, we delved into their conservation status, highlighting the need for urgent action to protect these magnificent creatures from the threats they face in their natural habitats. With their remarkable attributes and complex behaviors, gorillas truly are a wonder of the animal kingdom. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of gorillas as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. These animals are a testament to the incredible diversity of life on our planet, and it's our responsibility to ensure their survival. As we continue to learn and share more about the animal kingdom, we hope to inspire a greater appreciation and understanding of these incredible creatures. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating animal facts. Your support helps us to continue our mission of educating and inspiring people about the wonders of the natural world. So, until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, every animal has a story worth telling.